Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up scaling in Windows. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So I will mention this is going to be a really useful feature, especially if you're on a smaller screen or something like a laptop. This can help make your device much more usable, and rather than having to zooming in and out in each program individually, we can set it up on a PC-wide scale, and I think it's a really nice option to have. So the first thing we're going to be doing is coming to our taskbar in Windows. We're going to be clicking on our Start button, and we're going to be searching for Display. Now once we search this, we should see the display settings right here. If we click this open, we'll have a couple of different options to change our display settings in our Windows. Now from this point, if you have multiple displays currently connected, as I do, I currently have 1 and 2, they will show up here and we can easily select each one. The one with the blue outline is the currently selected device. If you're not sure which is which, we can click identify and the number of the display will show up in the corner of each display. So in this case, I'm currently working on number 2. So I'm going to be making sure I have the second screen here selected. If we scroll down here a little bit inside our windows, we will notice we'll have additional options. And the first drop down we have shown up here is the scale and layout. Currently my scaling in Windows is set to 100%. And in this case, it is the recommended size. So depending on your resolution and the size of your display, Windows can help recommend some scaling options. Of course, we can change this to whatever we would like. So we have a couple of options here: 125, 150, 175, 200, and 225. So what I'm going to be doing is selecting 125%. And as you can see, when I come to the left here, you can see my taskbar is now much bigger. And I even need to scroll to see all my pinned icons because there's so many here. And the scaling currently makes them too big to fit on the row right now. So it's as easy as that to change your scaling. However, we also have some extra advanced options. If we come back to our display tab right here, we can see advanced scaling settings. If we select this open, we can change some advanced settings. However, we can let Windows try fix apps automatically. However, you can check this off and they can enter a custom scaling resolution, so you can really customize and change this exactly how you want. For my case, I'm actually going to be backing out of here and I'm just going to be leaving it on 125% for today's video, but it's as easy as that to change your scaling on your display inside Windows. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.